Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is starting to move higher and higher here. It is not really a dynamic price movement to the upside. It comes across as a very corrective still, that move up here. But we are currently following it here and following the possible bullish wave count here for Solana, which we need to take with a pinch of salt. I have to say that again and again. Primarily, I still expect another lower low for Solana, but at the moment I find it quite interesting actually to follow here the possible bullish outcome. There are a few problems here with the chart that I talked about yesterday in the video, but we are currently at a key resistance level. The level that I mentioned yesterday was here the 37.10 level. To overcome, and we are now exactly at that level. So this is highly important. From here we can take the price to $39.40 into this resistance area. So what the price is doing, it is getting closer and closer to the yellow line here, the 200-day moving average, which is within this resistance area here around $39.40 and $40.10 roughly. Yeah, between roughly $39 and $40. So a substantial move above $37.10 would take us to that $39 level. I expect significant resistance here. It is the 50-day moving average. A move above that would be considered bullish. Yeah, it's a trend filter. It's a very important trend filter. And even though you don't necessarily need it when you use the Elliott waves, it is there, and of course you can use other indicators as well when you're doing Elliott wave analysis, because it just helps. So sometimes obviously I refer to patterns here as well. Patterns, support, resistance, they're always useful when it is not entirely clear which pattern is working out, which Elliott wave pattern. And at the moment we are, as I said before, we are in this turnaround space where we have potentially seen the low already here at around $26, and we can clearly count here an impulse up. We can currently count here this as a wave 2 possible WXY pattern, and this would assume we are already in the wave 3. If we are in the wave 3 is not entirely clear yet, especially as this move up is not very impulsive, or at least not clearly impulsive. Therefore we need to see structural price confirmation. First of all, above $37.10, then $39, and then here, very good evidence that wave 2 has finished, would be a move above $42.64. That move above that level would be best evidence we can get that wave 3 is actually on the way. And if wave 3 is on the way, the target for that, I actually have it here, is $58. So $42, yeah, a move above that $42 level, or in specifically here $42.64. But again, prices are a little bit dynamic, so it's it's not strictly that one level. But a move above that level would be the best evidence you can get that wave 3 is unfolding, as all the way until then it could still be a B wave. How can it be a B wave? Well, as I just mentioned, what is currently moving up here, it is not clearly impulsive, which means this could just be a B wave. A B wave is very difficult to trade, very difficult to manage. They are there to trick you out. That's their purpose. As we have seen in November with Bitcoin, this was also an overshooting wave B, extremely difficult to forecast. And this could be what we're seeing now, a wave B and then a wave C to the downside. Here still in this wave 2, which means the wave 2 then isn't finished and would be finished here. So we need to be on high alert that this could just be just a wave B, a so-called fake out to the upside maybe, and we can expect here some serious resistance. If we make it above $37.10, that is a key resistance level that I gave you yesterday. If we make it above that level, then we could get to that $39 level. Bear in mind, here is the 50-day moving average, and that will provide strong resistance. If it doesn't, and if we just cut through, that would be another good indication that wave 3 is actually on the way. If we are here in a B wave, we expect strong resistance and weakness in the chart. Okay, so this is currently what we're looking here at with Solana. At what point would I get much more bullish about Solana and not expect another lower low? that would be a breakout above the 48.41 level. That is not only here structural resistance, it is also a wave 4 high. And if we make it above that wave 4 high, it would invalidate technically some of the bearish wave counts that are available here, and would just make a bullish wave count much more likely. For now, overall, you can see that here from a bigger picture, we are pretty much in a range. We have been in this range since the 1st of June when we broke first below that $42 level. And since then we have been in the range between $26 and 42 pretty much. Yeah, we retested here already that level. We came to that level twice. And since then we have been in this range. So it's really important to break out above that range and then also move above 48.41 in the bullish scenario. My target for until we break above 48.41, I am still looking at another low, yeah, which doesn't mean this couldn't be traded long, yeah, short term, but overall I still think we have not yet seen the overall low. One reason for that is that this here is just not enough bullish price action to reverse the downtrend that has been happening since roughly November, yeah. So at the moment it's still a bit unclear, and for now I'm still focusing actually further on another lower low, but it's still important to give consideration to the bullish wave count so that we have it on the radar and that we know when it's happening and gets more likely. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.